Here's another moment of inertia video, guys. This is for a long, thin rod of mass M and length L rotated about its center. And we want to verify the fact that moment of inertia for that situation is 1/12 ml squared. So the first thing I want to do is draw my rod. Like so. My rod has mass M and length L. And my axis of rotation is in the center. So here's the axis of rotation. This is also the zero or the origin. So this is 0. Now, that being said, that establishes a point here and a point here for us. If the total length of the rod is L and the center where the axis is considered to be 0, then this point here on the left end of the rod is going to be minus L over 2, 0. And on the right end of the rod would be plus L over 2, 0. Now, we have a small piece of mass, dm, and I know that this rod has a constant linear density, and that linear density is lambda, which is the same as mass per length, or dm over dx. And solving for dm here, we get mass per length times dx. And recalling our integral definition for moment of inertia, the integral of r squared dm here, I'm going to rewrite that slightly. I'm going to change r to x since we are integrating along x. And so that becomes the integral of x squared. I'm going to plug in my expression for dm. That is mass per unit length times dx. And we are integrating over the length of the rod, taking into account that the axis of rotation is 0. So along x, that would be integrating between minus L over 2 and positive L over 2. So in doing the integral, mass and length are constants. They pull out of the integral. So m over L, integral of x squared dx from minus L over 2 to L over 2. That gives us m over L times x cubed over 3, evaluated between minus L over 2 and L over 2. In plugging in, what we will get here is m over L times, that is going to be when I put L over 2 in for x cubed, I get an L cubed over 8. So that is an L cubed over 24 minus, when I plug a negative L over 2 in, I get the equivalent, except it is negative. Simplify this down just slightly. L cubed over 24 plus L cubed over 24 is going to be L cubed over 12. So I have m over L times L cubed over 12, giving me a final answer of 1/12 ml squared. Hope this is helpful, guys. Thanks and have a great day.